husband went behind my back and ordered something really cool. We got a new Lagun tabletop. It is made out of Formica. Denny Bontrager made it for us, a friend from church. He has a cabinet making company. And there's good things about this. This pine is so soft. When you're writing with a pencil, you can actually carve your name in it or whatever. But also this is waterproof. It's really hard and it matches everything. It's going to be really pretty. Ready to go. It's beautiful, and thank you so much, Denny. You did put a lot of work into that and effort. Thank you.